Experience modern living at its finest in this completely rebuilt and expanded home located in the highly coveted Catalina Foothills. With clean lines and contemporary design, this property offers sophistication and functionality in every detail. This master suite is a serene retreat, featuring a large sitting area and a luxurious ensuite bathroom. With a soaker tub, marble floors, and a double vanity, and a sleek walk-in shower. The spacious kitchen is a chef's dream, boasting Carrara marble counters, a gas cooktop, and stainless steel appliances, perfect for both everyday meals and entertaining. Natural light floods the open living areas, offering a bright and airy atmosphere, while stunning mountain views add a picturesque backdrop from the living room. This guest suite provides a private haven with its own den, ensuite bathroom, and a covered patio for relaxing in privacy. Enjoy your morning coffee on the expansive, meticulously landscaped front patio, where you'll be treated to unobstructed views of the majestic Catalina Mountains. This home has been rebuilt with care and precision and features a newer mission tile roof, carport, and updated water and gas lines in 2018, ensuring long-term comfort and peace of mind. Don't miss the opportunity to call this modern masterpiece your home. Schedule your private showing today and step into a lifestyle of elegance, comfort, and breathtaking desert views. Contact us now. Your dream home awaits. We help busy people buy and sell real estate easier, simpler, better.